a lot easier said than done.
Yeah,
Boy.
Alright. Welcome back, my supporters, to Life with Jimmy Susberry. And I want to thank you all for subscribing to my channel, showing me love through this journey of YouTube. Thanks. Much love. What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. If you're new to the channel, please hit the subscribe button and don't forget to turn your post notification bell on. Today in this video, we're going to be eating either cat food or dog food. So stay tuned if you want to see the rest of this, because this is going to be a pretty cool reaction. I've never done this before. So it's going to be actually my grandfather and my girl Gabby.
Hi.
Yay. So yeah, the way that this works is we are basically going to be playing 2 rounds, and we're basically going to be playing paper, rock, scissors for one of us to draw either the cat or the dog. Paper to let us know which food we got to eat, and then after that the winner, and basically you could win by just eating whatever you draw.
3.
So we're gonna go 3 rounds instead of 2, because I know I initially said 2. So 3 rounds of whatever we draw, we gotta eat it. So the person that comes through and does it will automatically be qualified for the whatever you can carry challenge. I'll buy it. Round 2.
How much do we eat? Because you ain't getting a little bit, I'm gonna get more, and then you're gonna be like, oh, I won.
Okay, so we'll do
one
teaspoon.
A teaspoon.
One teaspoon.
You got teaspoons?
Oh, one just spoon. Whatever spoon. We all could have just one spoon.
Oh my god, that's a lot.
That sounds like Fear Factor.
Woo! God damn.
I'm gonna wake up barking.
Alright, cool. So here we go. Alright, Grandpa, so we're gonna go first. Me and you gonna go first. So we're gonna go paper, rock, scissors, okay? So I get to go first.
You get to go first, or he? Because you won.
No, he does. I just get to mix them up.
Oh. So what you got on there?
Alright, cool. So you basically pick one.
That's not the food yet.
It's just, yeah, this is
it's gonna tell you cat or dog.
It'll tell you what you gotta eat.
Woo!
Alright. He got dog.
Yay!
Cool. Alright, and just so we know, this is, I forgot to mention that this is round 1. Alright, round 1.
Oh Lord.
Alright, so dog, so let's go. Let me go grab our
utensils.
Food. Here we are.
That
dog. Alright, cool, this one. Alright, hold up.
I already ate.
You eat again.
Damn.
He gonna be like, I ain't coming over here no more. Alright, cool. So, Grandpa, so this is gonna be yours.
Okay, thank you.
Yours and mine. Alright, cool. So
He
here's
would.
your dog food,
He would get Caesar.
and all you gotta do is taste
Let
it.
me see what recipe is it. What kind of what flavor?
Yeah, you gotta show the camera what flavor it
flavor?
is.
Was that good? What is
Ooh,
it?
I want to see this boy.
Sausage flavor with egg and cheese and sauce. Ooh.
I know Gabby ain't talking. She look what hers gonna be.
Alright, cool. So we're also gonna have
Sausage flavored with egg and cheese.
That's a breakfast meal. That's a breakfast. Ooh, Lord. Oh.
I got to see this boy.
just in case you don't like it.
Oh my God.
Everybody get to have their own bag. You just keep it with you.
God damn.
Oh yeah.
Gosh, that's the door is slamming. This gonna be on YouTube.
Hey, where's my bag?
Oh, here, this is yours.
Ooh, wait.
You better open and stir it.
Gotta do it
Oh,
now.
that look good.
Okay, you don't have to eat it. You just gotta lick it or
That
taste it,
look
okay?
good.
This is getting a little rough. I'm getting a little nervous myself.
God damn, Shirley.
You're already barking. Oh my God. Wait, show the camera. Show the camera. How it
He
tastes.
got your camera.
How it tastes.
Is it good or nasty? That's it. You don't have to go farther if you don't want to
But
go
no,
farther.
how it tastes.
Ooh, shit is
Hey,
hot.
you want to taste?
Like real.
No,
I'm
you gotta tell
not.
us. We don't know what it tastes like. You gotta talk to the camera.
It tastes like real stew.
Oh really? So it don't taste bad.
It doesn't taste bad.
Oh.
It's real good. Make sure you buy it at your local store.
And keep eating it. Keep eating it.
Oh my God.
You gotta eat it.
Ugh. So then I guess it's my turn.
All right.
All right.
Just
well,
move that
you get
food
to,
over
you,
here.
You get to throw the food away. It's-
No.
Yeah.
No, don't throw it away. We can feed it to the doggies. We
Yeah.
have.
Oh.
Yeah.
Feed it to Sharday.
And
We'll keep that
Elsa.
for later because we ain't done yet. This is round one. Just set it right here. All right. So you get to mix it for me. Oh God.
Ew, Jimmy.
All right.
Pick one.
Cool. I'm gonna go with eeny, meeny, miny, mo. Catch a tiger by his toe. If he holler, let him go. My grandma told me to pick this one right over here. Ooh.
Cat.
Cat.
You ain't got it for real.
I gotta eat cat food.
Go get your cat food.
Mhm.
I want to see Gabby eat hers.
You need to eat one. Where's her day?
What? What'd you say, Gabby?
You heard me.
She said she can't wait till your turn.
Oh, baby, I ain't in that mix.
All right. So we have
Let me see.
healthy gourmet turkey and chicken entree.
Man, you picking that one cause
Turkey and chicken.
you know that one. Let me pick it out for you. Let me pick it for you.
No.
Okay. All right.
Camera girl.
We pick your grandpa's, so I get to pick yours.
No.
And then you pick
don't.
mine.
No. It's okay.
Oh, you see how he's cheating? Look.
Oh God!
There you go.
What the heck is this?
I thought it was gonna be like tuna.
Oh my God! This stinks. I don't see how cats eat this.
Shit,
Like-
swallow their pride.
This is disgusting.
Oh, she got on her other.
Let's rate these on a scale of 1 through 10. How does yours taste? Mine tastes. If I had to rate it 1 through 10,
Ta-da.
Shit,
I would rate this a 3. It's not good at all.
Let me see.
I'll read that and about a
It smells like tuna.
a 2.
Tuna smells bad. And bad.
All right. Gabby, you up?
Who? Nah, I'm playing no more.
Yeah, you are playing.
No.
All right. So, Grandpa, you and her get the paper, rock, scissors.
What?
Yeah.
Well, you know what? No, it's okay. We won't need paper, rock, scissors. We'll just mix it up for her. Go ahead and stir around the bowls.
Yeah.
Stir them around. Cool. All right. So we are all on round 1. This is still round 1. All right. Go ahead and pick. Pick your poison.
De Tin Marín de Dopingüe, Cuca, Macaratite fue. Yo no fui, fue Tete. Pégale, que es medito. Fue.
Dog.
Dog. All right. Go over there and pick you some dog food, ma'am.
You need it all. You deserve it.
Fair.
You done got all the ringside stand. You next.
What you think so far, Grandpa?
I wish I could go home.
Dang, okay. I picked this one.
All right, so let the camera see what is this. What is this? Slow cooked?
Slow cooked chicken and vegetables, dinner and sauce.
All right. Let's see here.
So they can eat all that.
I'm gonna take it for Elsa, my baby.
Ooh, still got that taste in my mouth.
We cannot drink water until after the has peas, potatoes, carrots. We're good.
Oh, good. Let's see you eat it.
Damn.
Put a little milk with it.
I bet y'all won't eat a full spoon.
Nah, I'm okay. I don't like that food.
You said lick it or what?
You gotta
Lick
eat
it or taste it or whatever.
Shit.
It's hard to do. I know.
It is hard.
chew it, and yeah, I didn't chew it.
Well, I licked
Because
it.
if you lick it, it's just gonna taste salty.
We gotta chew it?
Yes.
Okay.
So second round, y'all gotta chew it.
Alright, cool. So first round we licked it. Second round we gotta chew it.
Yes.
Alright,
thank
cool.
you.
Let's make it fair.
Yeah.
But still,
that-
can you
that's
rate it?
Fair.
Can you rate it?
Ah.
Honestly, I mean, because I didn't chew it, I just licked it. So I give it an 8.
You give it an 8? Okay, dang. So you like dog food?
Ah!
What are you trying to do to him? Make him commit?
Perro.
Alright, cool. So, on to
Yeah, y'all gotta be fair.
round two. So on round 2, Gabby wanted us to chew it.
Yes.
So we actually got to bite
The only
into it
tasting
and get
that-
the real taste.
Yes.
So this is gonna be a bit more
Hard.
harder, challenging, and I don't know if I'm gonna make it through this round, but
Oh, you ain't
We
gonna
shall
have
see.
to. And in
All
the
right.
third round, just swallow a little bit. How about that?
no.
How about that? Just a little bit. Just a little bit.
I'm done.
What
No,
made
it's
you
okay.
pick this challenge?
I don't know.
Because he like dog food, that's why. He's the one that like dog
Alright,
food.
cool. So, Grandpa, you are up. Alright, let's play paper, rock, scissors. So that you don't have to be the one to go first on this second round. Gabby, you'll hold the cam.
Cam, not, it's not cam, it's cam.
Are you ready? Paper, rock, scissors. That way you don't have to go first. You ready?
What you mean?
Paper, rock, scissors.
Yeah, cut. Yes, cut. Scissors. So you cut him. So you win.
Alright, so you
So Jimmy
get
go.
in two then. Because that means, okay, you won, so what place you want to go? First, second, or third? You want to go first or last or in the middle?
I want to go last.
You want to go last. Alright, so me and you now.
Shit.
Ready? Paper, rock, scissors. So what do you want to do?
Baby, you go first. I'm second and third.
Dang!
There you go. And you gotta chew it.
Alright, so you gotta mix it for me then.
Yeah.
And you're gonna chew a fair amount, not just itty bitty.
I do it for y'all. Let me switch it up.
No.
Yeah, we
It's
did.
okay, we got this.
You want to switch up once you get in it?
Oh, hell to the no.
Alright, so here we go. Eeny, meeny, miny, mo. Catch a tiger by his toe. If he holler, let him go. My mama told me to
get
pick
the
this one right over.
Stop cheating. Cat.
Cat.
Again?
Why do I gotta keep getting cats?
Hey, you do it on purpose.
Okay, again.
You to me on gosh.
Hey.
Okay, so now I gotta go get some more cat food. Gotta chew. Oh God.
Yeah.
Come on, Lord. That's one of the best they got going on over there.
You ready for this? Cause I ain't ready.
Let me see.
Oh God.
Ooh.
Oh snappity snap! What the? Heck? Oh, this thing.
Steer it. You better steer it.
Ew.
You be shit.
Okay, here we go.
Got chew it. Get your bag.
All right, let me get the bag. Nice and
Did you ever watch
ready.
that show, Fear Factor, when they used to
Yeah.
Ooh, boy, they be eating worms and Roaches for $50,000.
Ooh.
All right, so here we go.
All kind of stuff.
We got.
Oh my God.
Oh my God.
There you go. Hey, you gotta chew it, Jimmy. Don't be cheating, man.
Wait till Gabby chew. I'm a lad.
Man.
Come on.
Oh my God, I don't think I could do this, bro.
Be nice if it was some food.
Oh man, I don't think I could do this.
Hey, yes you can. Just bring him out, chew and
It's
spit.
a lot easier said than done. Second, because you said you're gonna last.
Hey, no.
Yeah, buddy.
No.
All right, so here we go.
Damn.
Now you get the you gotta pick one. All right, so here we go. We just gonna oh man, dude, I think we need like some mints or something. Get the taste out of y'all's mouth. All right, pick one. Dog. Why do you keep getting dog and I
Why
keep
would you
getting
get
cat?
a cat?
Good man, I got a dog.
Whew.
Yeah.
Dude, that was nasty. All right, Grandpa, it's your turn. A little mixy mix action. Take one for the team. What'd you get, dog? Well, oh, yeah, you got dog. Everybody got what they originally started with
That's
so
it.
far. That's so crazy how that works.
All right.
So
Now
dog
bring it to
food.
you. Which one you want? These are
Yeah,
the
you get to
last two.
choose your one. Yeah, choose the one you want. That one is. What is that? Angus beef flavor
Angus beef flavor with
with bacon and cheese. Ooh, that sounds delicious.
Boy, eat it then. Chicken
Alright.
liver.
That's it.
Chicken liver.
Yeah, let's do one more round though. This is round 2. We got a round 3.
Mm.
I don't understand how dogs can eat that. This
Yeah.
and our food, like table food.
Yeah.
Like that's two different tastes.
Yeah, way different taste.
Yeah.
Let me see. Ugh. It look all like ugh. Blended.
Cool. All right, so round 3 is up. So all right, everybody, we are on our way to round 3, and on round 3, the third round is actually going to be between Gabby and my grandfather. So basically, that means that I can't be included in it because I'm excluded because I am going to be the person buying whatever they can hold or carry at a store. So for the third round, between them two, whoever swallows the particular food that they draw
And
will win.
this is how we're gonna do it. We're gonna go at the same time, put it in our mouths at the same time, and then swallow it, and then we both gotta show like that.
And it could be as little or as big as you want at this particular point.
Nah.
Yes.
I know what you mean.
Yeah, it's gotta be as little or as big as you want. You swallowing it anyway.
We looking at put it on a microscope.
But yeah, so all right, cool. So round 3. So
This was round.
well, this is round 3 right now.
What?
So here we go.
What's after
Here we go. Here we go.
No.
This is it. Round 3 means that you just gotta swallow the food.
Damn.
And just keep in mind, you can forfeit, you can quit just by saying, hey, I forfeit. But just keep in mind that you're gonna be missing out on the shopping spree. Another shopping spree.
Yeah. Well, shit. Damn. Well, shit.
Count you in or count you out? Alright, cool. Count you in. Alright, cool. So, here's what we're gonna do. Y'all two play paper, rock, scissors.
Oh my god.
Here we go.
No,
Here we
we're gonna do
go.
it at the same time.
Oh, yeah, that's right. Well, no. For who pulls first? For the dog or the cat? Paper, rock, scissors. Ready?
Paper.
1, 2, 3. Paper, rock, scissors. I don't know what he did.
He's
You went
waiting
like,
on me. Okay, again.
do it again. Paper, rock, scissors. Again. Paper, rock. Okay, what? 1, 2, 3. Paper, rock, scissors.
Boom.
All right.
It's
Rock
not-
beats scissors.
That's not how you
So-
say the word.
Tic-tac-toe?
No, it's rock, paper, scissors,
Yeah.
shoes. Scissors.
Oh yeah, it is. Dang, girl, you should have been over here doing this then.
Put your dress up.
It's too big. Like,
Yeah, we're gonna fix it.
All right, cool. So here we go. Here we go. Here we go. Here we go.
So, wait, who picks it?
Well, hold up. You won, so you get to pick first. You get to pick one of these first, and he gets whatever's left.
but don't pick the dog, okay?
Remember, you always got dog, and you always got dog. So one of y'all got to eat a cat.
Cat.
All right, you got cat food, and you got dog food. Now keep in mind that there are
Ooh.
some big things at stake here.
Ooh.
And that is, if you don't swallow, you lose.
Who went in the room?
How much is gonna be the? Oh no, it's whatever you can carry.
It's whatever you can carry.
Again?
Yes, whatever you can carry again.
When this gonna take place?
This is gonna take place. Okay, that's a good question. So, this is gonna take place March the 20th.
The 20th.
March the 20th. The shopping spree will be March the 20th. Today's the 1st. So in 19 days.
Oh. So what we do now?
All right, y'all gotta swallow.
Yeah, I feel like I'm gonna throw up.
At the
I
same
don't wanna
time?
throw up, but
Ooh, oof.
I heard something going on over there.
That's good. That's good. It's a good start. If you can swallow that, you will be road to the redemption there. All right. All you gotta do is
Oh my god!
there you go. Now you gotta just show us your tongue and make sure that you gotta continue to swallow.
Lord.
You gotta swallow the rest.
I did.
No, you good? Let's see again. All right, cool. He's done. Right now, you in the first place.
So wait, how many times are we going?
No, if you spit it out, it don't count.
Yeah, we cry baby.
Oh.
He didn't
Okay.
spit it out.
You feel sick?
No, not really.
I didn't get that much.
Let me drink some water.
Get me a bottle. I didn't cheat. I swallowed it. So it wasn't much.
Oh.
Yeah.
Well, maybe she took it.
Yeah.
I'm smelling it. That's why.
2, 3.
There we go. Good job, baby. Good job, my love. Keep it going. Keep it going. It's all right. You good, girl. You are good. You are golden. It is just a cilantro, beefy stew. What do you call it? Gordita? I mean, a taco?
Okay, I swallowed it.
All right. Good job, baby. Cool. All right. Y'all go get some water. Do what y'all need to do. Looks like we got ourselves 2 winners. So stay tuned, everybody. As, like I mentioned, March the 20th, we'll go down and we're going to go to, I don't know yet. I'm going to pick a place and I'm going to basically buy whatever they can carry. So do me a big favor, everyone. If y'all like this video, please give me a thumbs up. If y'all want to see more like this, let me know by dropping a comment down below. Aside from that, if you're new to the channel, please hit the subscribe button. And don't forget to turn your post notification bell on. I'm out.